how to hide address on Amazon wishlist. So first is to go to amazon.com and then log into your Amazon account. Once you're logged in, go over to this account and list, and you should see your wish list under your list. So for this, my wish list is entitled Shopping List. So all of these products are found in my wish list. To hide the address, just go to this More option and then select Manage List. So ensure that this option is public, since when it is in private, only you can see your wish list. Now scroll down and you should see this option. So if you want to hide your address, just don't click this option, Share my shipping address with sellers. And so the only downside of not checking this option is that viewers of your wish list can only buy the products directly from Amazon. Now if you're done, click this Save Changes button. And so that is how you hide address on Amazon wishlist. Thank you and have a great day.